going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to mess with the boat just a little bit. So I do a lot of speaker reviews. Well, not a lot, but I do them. The next video that you see on the channel is going to be a car audio install, some cool new parts, but we're going to talk about marine stuff today. So what I have here is a set of Sony marine speakers, XS MP 1611. Now, these are a 6.5-inch marine grade speaker, which means if they get a little wet, no worries, right? So inside the boat, we have 6 speakers in total. 2 there. 1 on each side there. And 2 on the tower. Those are getting replaced next. So when I bought the boat, one of the speakers here under the rear seat wasn't working correctly. So I've already put 2 of these Sony speakers in. And we're going to go ahead and replace the other 2 today and see how they sound. So these are not really expensive speakers. Sony's been a brand that I've been using for a long time. I used to run Sony head units, Sony Explode amps, and subwoofers. So I'm very familiar with Sony. I like their quality, and the sound is good too. So I am not running an amp on this boat, so all 6 speakers actually run off of the head unit, but there is a powered sub under one of the seats somewhere. But anyway, let's unbox these things and take a look at them. So here's what we got. Sony marine speakers, right? So Sony's design is pretty cool. How they incorporate the cage and the magnet into one piece. Nice solid cone, nice cushy surround. And the speaker grills, I mean, I love the way they look. Let's stop playing around, let's get these in the boat. So these are the 2 speakers that we're going to be replacing. They are Sony marine speakers, the older version. So you can see there's little caps that cover the screws. We're going to pop those out real quick, unscrew them, unplug them, and put the new ones in. Out with the old, in with the new. These speakers also come with little covers for the screws, so we will pop these in. Just like that. I'll go ahead and do the other side. All right, we've got our speakers installed. Let's give them a quick listen. I'm gonna sit up here and listen to music for a little bit, quick little project I had to do around the shop. So guys, don't forget to check me out on Instagram. I try to post up there daily. Stay tuned. We're about to do another stereo project. That'll be the next video. Thanks for watching.